Hey guys, welcome back to the Lawn Care. I'm just going to show you how I put a horn on the LT 150. My neighbor helped me a lot. I'm not really good at electric crap, but here's the horn. I came off my sister's car, old car. It's broke down. We're taking it to the junkyard. But here's the horn. You wire it to the button, and then you wire a negative into the positive, and then you put a button right here. But yeah.